Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the physical and OS level basics so you don't chase phantom issues. Plug in and unmute your headset, then open Windows sound settings to choose the correct recording device and set levels around 80 to 100%. Once done, run Rainbow Six Siege as administrator so it can access audio devices properly. Then go straight into in-game audio settings and toggle voice chat on. Doing these steps first prevents permission and device selection problems later. Next, you handle software conflicts and driver issues that commonly block voice chat. Update or reinstall your audio drivers from Device Manager or your headset maker's app, and if a recent update caused problems, roll it back. Then open the microphone's advanced properties and disable exclusive mode so Rainbow Six can access the mic alongside other apps. Also make sure Windows privacy is set to allow microphone access for apps and background processes. These steps resolve most software-level access and compatibility issues. Finally, focus on in-game controls and network permissions so voice actually transmits. Choose push-to-talk for reliability or adjust the voice activation threshold, and watch the in-game mic meter while speaking to confirm levels. Make sure your firewall, router NAT type, and Ubisoft Connect permissions aren't blocking voice. Open necessary ports or allow the game through the firewall if needed. If you still have issues, reassign the device in-game, restart your PC, or create a fresh Windows user to rule out
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.